So the successes in the Sixth Strategic Plan have been many, but some that spring to mind include the great contribution that the OIE has made on the issue of combating antimicrobial resistance and the collection of data on antimicrobial use, the tripartite agreement, and establishing a working relationship that really addresses this global threat. Also, much progress has been made on animal welfare, and much progress has been made on developing animal health standards that are fit for purpose into the future. I think the challenges continue to be engaging with the members and getting their participation, their contribution, particularly around transparency of animal diseases, that they report their animal disease health status, but also that they participate in the standard making so that they contribute their comments and their concerns, and that way we know whether the standards really are implementable.